Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to buy gold on Robinhood. Firstly, download the Robinhood app or visit their website, then sign up or log into your account. Link your bank account and transfer funds into your Robinhood account. In the app or website, use the search bar to enter the ticker symbol, like GLD for SPDR Gold Trust. Examine the ETF's performance, expense ratio, and other relevant information. Then, when you're ready, tap the Trade button. Enter the number of shares you wish to purchase, then choose the order type, like market or limit order, then review and confirm your order. Just stay informed about gold market trends and determine your risk tolerance and ensure that your investment aligns with your financial goals. Also, consider diversifying your portfolio to mitigate risks associated with investing solely in gold or gold-related assets. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.